Hello, welcome to Bboru classes. Today we'll discuss class 10 maths, some important MCQ questions from the chapter Quadratic Equation. So let us start with question number 1. So question number 1, what is given? For what value of k will the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0 be 0? So we are given four options. So option A 2 by 3, option B 1 by 3, option C minus 2 by 3 and option D minus 1 by 3. So first of all, what is quadratic equation? So everybody see here. So a quadratic equation is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And discriminant of a quadratic equation means what? B square minus 4ac. Now if we observe, so our quadratic equation is 3x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0. So here a means a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2, c equal to k. So our condition, for what value of k will the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0 be 0. That means discriminant should be equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So substitute b equal to minus 2 square minus 4 into a means 3, c means k equal to 0. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, k equal to 0, or minus 12k equal to plus 4 become minus 4. So minus minus eliminate. So k equal to 4 by 12, 4 1s are 4 3s are 0. So k equal to 1 by 3. So k equal to 1 by 3. That means for what below of k will the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0 be 0. So k equal to 3. So option B equal to 1 by 3. It is the correct option. So next, proceed to question number 2. So what is question number 2? If x square minus 2px plus p square equal to 0, then the value of p by x is. So the quadratic equation, what is given? X square minus 2px plus p square equal to 0. So first of all, try to break. It is in that means factorization form. Okay. So using factorization method, so x square minus 2px means what? We can write px minus px plus p square equal to 0. So minus px when we add, that means addition of negative, that means quantity. So minus px indicate minus 2px. So when you product minus minus plus, p into p square, x into x square, that means product of first term and last term. Now if x common out, then within bracket x minus p. So minus p common out, then within bracket x minus p equal to 0. So x minus p common out, then within bracket x minus p equal to 0. So from it we can write x minus p equal to 0 both cases, or x minus p also equal to 0. So x equal to p, or same thing, x equal to also p. So we need the value of what? P by x. So when x transfer to this side, it become what? 1. Same thing happen here. So 1 equal to p by x. So ultimately the value of p by x equal to what? 1. So we are given four option: a 0, b minus 1, c 1, d 2. So correct option is what? Option number C. It is 1. Next, proceed to question number 3. So question number 3, it is one of important questions. So for what value of p, the equation p minus 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 cannot be quadratic. So cannot be quadratic. So first of all, the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation under what condition? A not equal to 0. A never be equal to what? 0. If a equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c, it is not a quadratic equation because here degree is what? 2. If degree is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. So if we observe the equation p minus 2 x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So we are given four options. So if we substitute option A 1, B 2, option C minus 2, option D 0. If we substitute B equal to 2, suppose B option B 2. If we substitute P equal to 2, 2 minus 2 into x square plus 3x plus 5 0. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 0 into x square plus 3x plus 5. So ultimately result become what? 0. So it becomes 3x plus 5. So it is what right now? Linear equation. It is not a quadratic equation. So our condition for what below p, the equation p minus 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 cannot be quadratic. So it is not a quadratic equation if p equal to what? 2. That means option B, it is what 2? It is the correct option. So proceed to the next question. Question number 4. It is also one of important questions, very. So the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 will be reciprocal of each other if a equal to b, option A, option B c equal to A, option C b equal to C, and option D none of the above. So reciprocal means we are given a quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So reciprocal means that if one root it is in the form of alpha, then another root is at 1 by alpha. So let the roots be alpha, and reciprocal means what? 1 by alpha. That means beta indicate 1 by alpha. So now product of the roots. So alpha into 1 by alpha. That means product of the root. What is the formula? C by A. Product of the root C by A. So alpha cancel out one time, that means 1 equal to C by A. So from here A equal to what? C. That means if A equal to C, that means the coefficient of x square and constant of the given quadratic equations are equal, then roots are what? Reciprocal of each other. So we are given option A equal to B, option B C equal to A, and option option C B equal C, option D none. So A equal to C or C equal to A equal to C or C equal to A, same thing. So our correct option is option number B, C equal to A. So next question. Question number 5. So if x equal to 1 is a common root of the equation x square plus ax plus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus x plus 6 equal to 0, then ab equal to what? So first of all, we are given two quadratic equation ax square plus ax plus 3 equal to 0, and second equation is what? X square plus x plus b equal to 0. So both equation has a common root. What is the common root? X equal to 1. That means x equal to 1 satisfy the given equation, that is, so a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. So a plus 3 equal to 0. So a 2a plus 3 equal to 0. So from it 2a equal to plus 3 become minus 3. So a equal to minus 3 by 2. So similarly, so x equal to 1, it is also a root of x square plus x plus b equal to 0. So x equal to 1 also satisfy equation number 2. So equation 2, 1 square, instead of x we can substitute 1, x equal to 1 plus b equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 2 plus b equal to 0. So b means plus 2 become minus 2. So we need the value of what? AB. So a into b means, substitute a equal to minus 3 by 2 and b means what? Minus 2. So minus minus plus 3 to the 6, 6 by 2, 6 by 2 to 3 is 6. So ab equal to 3. So ab equal to 3 given, option A, ab equal to what? 3. So that means x equal to 1 is a common root of the equation ax square plus x plus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus x plus b equal to 0, then ab equal to option A, it is 3. So in this way we can solve question number 5. Now we will discuss question number 6. So question number 6, what is given? If the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0 has two equal roots, then a equal to. We are given four options. So first of all, our quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The roots of a quadratic equation is always equal to 0 if discriminant b square minus 4ac, it should be equal to 0. So from it we can write b square equal to 4ac, b square equal to 4ac, or b square by 4c when transfer only a left. So a equal to b square by 4c. That means the correct option is what? Option A, b square by 4c. So next question, question number 7. One root of the quadratic equation is 2, then sum of the root and sum of the roots is 0, then the equation is. So if sum of the roots and any one of the root is given, then how can we find a quadratic equation? So one root one root is given as what? One root given as 2, and sum of the roots it is given as what? 0. Therefore other root. So other root equal to, from sum when we subtract one root, so 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. Then suppose sum of the roots and the two roots are given, then how can we find a quadratic equation? So x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots, it is equal to 0. So x square minus the sum of the root, it is given as what? 0. 0 into x, and product of the roots, so one root is 2, another root minus 2, it is equal to 0. So x square minus 0 plus minus minus 2 to the 4, so it indicate x square minus 4 equal to 0. That means if sum of the root and product of the roots are given, then we can find a quadratic equation using this formula: x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So we'll get what? X square minus 4. That means option A x square plus 4, option B x square minus 4 equal to 0. That means option B x square minus 4 is the correct option. So in this way we can solve different types of questions related to quadratic equation. So to know more, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For today,